It's time to get work done faster, in less time, with modern machines. That's why Gujarat's only state-of-the-art machinery manufacturing company, established in the year 2011, Mahavir Industries, has brought to you like food industries machinery, pharmaceutical machinery, chemical industries machinery, screening machinery, along with mixing machinery, conveying system and industrial equipments. All types of automatic machinery for different types of industries like ribbon blender, double cone blender, sigma mixer, Vibro Sifter, rectangular vibrating screen screw conveyor, rotary airlock valve, etc. We have constructed a wide and well-functional infrastructural unit that plays an important role in the growth of our company. We offer these products at reasonable rates and deliver these within the promised time frame. Under the supervision of Mahavir team, we have well-equipped infrastructure to fulfill customer requirement with well-experienced staff. We always interact with our valued customer to improve our quality and services. Hence, contact us to buy different types of automatic machinery or get all types of machinery made for your suitable work. 8511191084 or 7283999111. Address: plot number 63, Hariom Industrial Park near Ashwamedh Industrial Park, Paldi Kankaj Road, Pirana, Ahmedabad 382425. Website: www.mahavirmachinery.com. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel for latest update videos.